Marketers That Matter is the leading community of Bay Area marketing executives and companies coming together to drive marketing innovation that creates real business results.
Technology has changed all of our expectations. The problem we had was, how do we transform a 103-year-old company to be responsive to individual consumer needs? We have to be thinking more one-to-one, more real-time. Everything about the way the company thinks and the way it operates ultimately has to change.
Marketers oftentimes lead the charge of innovation, but innovation can't be something that is simply in what you say.
Creativity in marketing isn't about marketing creativity. It's about how you bring creativity to every aspect of marketing.
This is the amp, and this is the emblem that we put now on the front of every Lyft vehicle. We know that the seconds that it takes for you to find your vehicle, it means that a driver's able to get the ride done and off to the next rides. And it is a conversation starter that can be localized down all the way into, neighborhoods and cities.
Tea Collection as a brand is all about making the foreign familiar. I remember one woman saying that what she loved about it was that it connected kids of all races and backgrounds around the world. I think at that moment, everyone in the room kind of got teary-eyed. When you invest that time and energy, that risk is well worth it because it translates into being a brand that customers can really believe in.
In a time of transformative change, it's important that people learn from each other, learning day in, day out, what's working, what's not.
People would say, why are you here talking to us about digital transformation and big data when you're the Photoshop company? Justifying the value of mining data and convey those to the market, we had to prove that out. We are now being considered an economic bellwether. So for Adobe to go from the Photoshop company to an economic bellwether is tremendous success in our eyes in terms of extending what we bring to the economy.
We at the Sage Group feel honored to have the opportunity to curate such an incredible group of marketing executives and companies. It's never been a better time to be a marketer that matters.